Well, the day is here. Domestic Disney parks have officially retired the free Fastpass system used by millions of people over the last few decades in favor of a new paid system similar to the one currently operating at Disneyland Paris. Hi everyone, I'm Brian Perry from Inside the Magic, and the news comes via the press release regarding Disney's new Genie app that will, and I quote, maximize your park time so you can have more fun. The app includes a personalized itinerary feature that will quickly and seamlessly map out an entire day. And the Genie app will not only provide current wait times, but give you recommendations on when you should visit your favorite ride to avoid congestion. Pretty cool. But the big news here is regarding the new Lightning Lane Fastpass system. The new paid Fastpass will give guests two options. One is to purchase Genie Plus service, which is $15 per ticket in Orlando and $20 per ticket at Disneyland. This service will let you choose the next available time to arrive at a variety of attractions. Now, the key word here is variety as opposed to all. Not every single attraction will be available to skip the line with Genie Plus. Big Thunder and Smuggler's Run were two examples the mouse gave to us. If you want to skip the line for the big boys, well then there's the second option, to purchase Lightning Lane access to individual attractions, a max of 2 per day. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train and Radiator Springs Racers were two examples Disney provided that will only be accessible through this option. The big news is that pricing for this option will vary by date, attraction, and park, and it's not released yet. So if you're looking for how much is it going to cost to skip the line at Radiator Springs, we're going to have to wait a little longer. So there you have it. Goodbye Fastpass. Hello Lightning Lane. What are your thoughts on the new paid Fastpass system? Is $15 a day reasonable down in Orlando? And how much would you spend to skip the line for an individual attraction such as Radiator Springs Racers? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching this part of an Inside 300 episode. If you want to see the full thing, be sure to tune in every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday morning, where we come to you with brand new content. I'm your host, Brian Perry, and I hope to see you soon. Until then,
bye-bye.